Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn off autofocus on iPhone camera. And here's how it is done. Open the camera app, tap and hold on the area you want to focus on. After about 2 seconds, you will see AE or AF lock appear at the top of the screen. AE, it is auto exposure. AF, it is autofocus. The focus and exposure are now locked. They won't change even if you move the camera. To remove the lock, simply tap anywhere on the screen. Want true manual focus? No autofocus at all? Use a third-party camera app that offers full manual focus control. 1. Halide. 2. Pro Camera. 3. Manual Raw Camera. That's everything to know about how to turn off autofocus on iPhone camera. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.